How to block private number calls on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block private number calls on Android. To do so, you can use the built-in call blocking feature available in most Android devices. First of all, open your default phone application on your device, and once you open it, locate the three dots icon menu at the top right corner of your screen. Once you find it, simply tap on it, and then from here select the settings option. Tap on settings, and in the settings page now go to block numbers or call blocking option. The terminology may be different depending on the device and Android version. If you are not able to find this option, you can also look for the options related to blocking unknown, private, or hidden numbers. Now, once you find this block numbers option, simply tap on it, and inside it, you'll be able to locate the option block calls from unknown callers or numbers. Once you find this option, simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of it to enable this option. Now, after doing that, the changes will take effect immediately. This will block calls from private or hidden numbers so they won't ring your phone or show in your call log. In case if your phone doesn't have this feature or you want more control, then you can install the Google Phone application which supports blocking unknown or private numbers. So this is how you can block private number calls on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.